In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn Mobile. So grab your phone and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your LinkedIn Mobile app. When you have it open, look down to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon labeled Jobs. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to the LinkedIn Jobs section, which is your gateway to connecting with a pool of potential candidates who are eagerly looking for opportunities like the one you're about to share. Once you're in the Jobs section, direct your attention to the option that says Post a Job. It's right there, inviting you to start creating your job post. You might see the option to write with AI or to write on your own. For today's tutorial, we'll choose to write on our own. This keeps things straightforward and allows you to represent your unique brand voice in the job posting. Now let's start crafting your job post. The first thing you'll need to do is enter the job title. Think carefully about the title because it's the first thing candidates will see, and you want it to accurately reflect the role. Next, move on to the company field and input the company name that the position is associated with. Following this, you'll need to specify the workplace type. You have the flexibility to choose from on-site, hybrid, or remote options, depending on how you plan the role to be conducted. Location is next, so enter the job location if it's applicable, especially if you've selected an on-site role. After location, you'll decide on the job type. LinkedIn offers several choices here, including full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, volunteer, or internship. Select the one that best fits the role you're offering. With these essential details filled in, tap Next. A new screen will open, allowing you to review your job post. Take this opportunity to make any adjustments, ensuring everything looks great and is free of errors. Once you're satisfied with the information, you'll need to add a job description. Craft a clear and compelling job description, highlighting the responsibilities, qualifications, and any other important details that will help potential candidates understand the role and decide if it's the right fit for them. When everything is set and you're happy with how your job post looks, it's time to share it with the world. Tap Post Job for free. And just like that, your job has gone live, reaching the countless LinkedIn users who are exploring new career opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching and happy hiring.